Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the new seahorse pet for Roblox Adopt Me. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the head, starting with the nose. Draw a curved line down here like this. And then angle it out to the left. Now under this line, draw another curve below. And then close off the end with an oval shape. Let's draw the eyes next. To the left of the nose, draw a curve and color it in black. Now on the right here, draw a circle for the other eye and color it in black as well. Next, draw a curved line above the eye. Now from the top here, draw a curve up and over to the right. Then draw lines above and below the left eye like this. Let's draw the crest on top of the head now. Leave a gap, come down a bit, and draw a curve to the right, stopping here. Then add a wavy line on top like this. Next, draw a curved line here for the ear. Then close off the head like this. Now to the right, draw a U shape out here. And then two more curves below it like this. Let's draw the body next. From under the head, draw a wavy line down. To the left of this line, draw an S curve down here. Then connect it over to the right. Now below it, come in slightly and draw a curve down and back in. Then draw another smaller curve below it. Now come back to the top and draw the right side of the body here. Now add a small curve here for the hand. Next, draw a curve down and then curl it back up for the tail. Follow the same curve from the middle line and close it off at the tip. And then one more curve here. Lastly, let's add the details on the back. Draw a pointed section from the back of the neck. Now a large section with 3 bumps like this. And then finally, a wavy line below. And that's it for this cute seahorse pet. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.